Hey everyone, I'm Brielle. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today we're diving into the massive Samsung 98-inch class Neo QLED 4K TV, the 2025 QN90F model. This TV is a beast for home entertainment, and I'm pumped to break it down for you. Stick around to see if this giant screen is the upgrade your living room needs. Let's start with the features. This 98-inch Neo QLED boasts a 4K resolution with mini LED technology for incredible brightness and contrast. The Neo Quantum HDR Plus delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks perfect for movies and shows. It's powered by Samsung's Vision AI, which optimizes picture and sound in real time. Gamers, you're in for a treat with a 120Hz refresh rate, motion Xcelerator, and support for NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium for smooth, lag-free gaming. It also has Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus for immersive audio that follows the action. With 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, you can connect all your devices, and the Tizen OS gives you easy access to streaming apps like Netflix and Samsung TV Plus. Plus, it's got a glare-free coating so you can watch in bright rooms without reflections. Now, the pros and cons. On the pro side, the picture quality is stunning, bright, sharp, and with amazing contrast thanks to the mini LED backlighting. The sound is next level with Dolby Atmos, and gamers will love the low input lag and gaming features. The Tizen interface is super user-friendly, and the glare-free screen is a big win for daytime viewing. On the downside, this TV is expensive, retailing around $15,000, so it's a big investment. It's also massive, so you'll need a large space and possibly a custom mount, as no stand is included. Lastly, while it's smart home ready with Alexa built in, some users might find the app ecosystem less robust than competitors. So, who's this TV for? If you're a movie lover, gamer, or just want a jaw-dropping centerpiece for your home theater, the Samsung QN90F is a fantastic choice. Its size and tech make it ideal for big spaces and premium setups. If your budget or room size is smaller, consider Samsung's 85-inch QADD instead. That's my take on the Samsung 98-inch Neo QLED QN90F. If you're ready to transform your viewing experience, check out the link in the description for the best pricing and special promotions from Rick's Review Hub. Your support through that link keeps these reviews coming. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.